Hi everyone. As part of this session, I will cover in abstraction in object-oriented programming. So, an abstraction is one of key pillar of object-oriented programming. So, using abstraction, you can hide unnecessary implementation, unnecessary details. Okay, and just expose whatever required and hide unnecessary details. So let me explain abstraction using practical example. Okay. So Python provides ABC class. Okay, long form of ABC is abstract class. So you have to import ABC class to handle abstraction. Okay, so in first line of code, from ABC, I imported ABC class. Okay, and abstract method tag as well. So you have to, this is ABC is inbuilt class, Python class. Okay, and if you see this example carefully, I have written vehicle class, car class, bike class, and both car and bikes are inherited from vehicle. Okay, and if you see carefully, vehicle class have one start method. Okay, and start method, I have not implemented anything. Okay, pass, I just passed it, means no implementation. Start method have don't have any implementation. But if you see car and bike, th- car and bike have implementation for start method. So if you try to create object of vehicle, right, you will get error because you have one method, one abstract method. So if you are just declaring the method, you are not implementing it. Okay, so such methods are called as abstract method, and you have to tag such methods. Okay, using at the rate abstract method if you don't want to implement, but let subclasses or inherited classes implement these. But in superclass, I am just declaring the classes. I'm not implementing. So those are called abstract method. Incomplete methods, you are not implementing anything. Those are called incomplete or abstract method. So abstract class should have at least one abstract method, means incomplete method. Those are called abstract classes. And abstract classes, we you can't create objects. Okay, so let me try to run this program. I have commented this vehicle object creation because let me uncomment call of uh, vehicle dot start method. Okay, so here I will get error because vehicle, I can't create object of vehicle class because object class of vehicle class have one incomplete method or one abstract method which is not complete. So if class have at least one abstract method, you can't create object. Okay, so let me run and see whether I will get any error. I got error at line number 22. I got error. Okay, line number 22 is this one. What error states is can't instantiate abstract class vehicle without implementing abstract method start. So you have, if you want to create object of vehicle, then you have to implement start method. That is what error states. So if a class have an abstract method, you can't create object. Okay, so let me comment out vehicle class object creation. And now if I rerun the program, it should not throw any error. Yeah, so I got I'm calling the start method of car and bike, and I'm printing, right. So same output I'm getting here. So I creation of car and bike classes is successful, but creation of object of vehicle class is unsuccessful because our vehicle class is abstract class and it have one incomplete method. The start method of vehicle class is incomplete. That is why you can't create object. And in case of car is inheriting from vehicle and bike is also inheriting from vehicle, and it is implementing what start method which is declared in vehicle. Same method, it is providing its own implementation. Car have a different implementation, bike have different implementation, but those respective start method is implemented. So I can create object of car and bike. And if you create objects of car and bike, and if you call start method, it will call respective objects start and start methods. Okay. So in generally, abstraction is nothing but you it if you see, if you look at a vehicle, right? You don't have any implementation. How it will be implemented? Let subclasses or inherited classes implement its own way. I just declare it. I will not so abstract class is just declaring it. Let subclasses implement it. So that is the purpose of abstraction. It will hide what implementation subclass does. If you go to subclass, then only you will get what implementation actually subclasses are implementing. But if you look at vehicle, you can't get any information on how start method is going to implement in subclass. It is just declaration. Okay, so I hope how to use what is the purpose of abstract class, how to create abstract class and abstract method, how to how what so this is abstract class means one method, at least one method is incomplete, and subclasses have all the complete methods, right? So car and bikes are known as concrete class, means it have full functionality. It have implemented all the abstract methods, and we can create objects. So these are called concrete methods, car and bike. Vehicle is not have full implementation. That is why vehicle is called as abstract class. So I hope the difference between concrete class and abstract class is clear, and purpose of abstract, how to achieve abstraction, that is also clear. That's it from today's session. Thank you. Bye.